type one through.
Mom.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like the clothes gifts because they get use out of them.
Yeah, well,
You know how you
that's,
were
I
saying
figured
how comfy cozy my
she's-
sheets are?
there's no toys in the world that they use.
Oh, these are mine.
And the
You
little,
both got comfy
um,
cozy flannel
And that's
sheets.
good too. Like that's comfortable.
Isn't that
I
great?
got
My last present.
the mascara, the little gloves, the little accessory things.
Right.
Because she,
Right.
not all clothes. Oh, and those are Allison's.
That's so cute.
flannel
I
sheets.
love them. How cute that is.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
One question. How do I open this?
That's from
Oh,
Carol.
wait, don't worry.
That's from
I'll...
Carol and Dinny. That's not from me, so I have no idea what's in there.
You want me to help with the scissors?
You can get a knife. Here, give it to me. Give it to
Right.
me.
No, I try.
You like trucks?
Whoa.
Do you enjoy? I mean, I know you're not into the trucks, but you know what? Adults buy those things. Vinny bought himself one. Really, he loves
No,
those
I like
things.
it. How did they know?
What did she get?
I wanted these. You said that you wouldn't get it for
What's it? I
me.
don't even know what it is.
Whoa!
It's one of those heart pillows.
Wow, Carol should only know that
I had no
reaction.
idea.
Wow.
You aren't listening to me.
What's this in there?
I'll show you.
You ask for so many things, sometimes I don't hear it
It
all.
lights up. Oh, that's what that
It
is.
lights. Oh,
Wow.
wow.
She knows.
Allison, I had no idea about this.
That's
What are
so
they
nice.
for? I don't know.
Oh, that's what. Yeah.
Wow.
And they come
Wow.
Very nice.
That's cool.
at the store after the hurricane. We went to the store and they had it, but Mom wouldn't. She said that she'd get hum.
Well, you know what?
Carol knows
So
those
many
things 'cause
things.
she's got
No.
friends